Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm so awkward. But I really wanted to do this video because for so long, whenever I go through YouTube or I search certain things up, like certain palettes, whenever I watch tutorials, they never use just one palette, you know, like just this. Like they'll always dip into other palettes and stuff like that, or like single shadows, and honestly that always like really irritated me, because for someone who is like beginning and just has one palette and is like going through YouTube and is searching something, yes, they could use like the shades or maybe substitute it, but I know like automatically whenever they go to like reach for another palette or another shade or something, it just automatically annoys me, because I'm like, why are you posting in the title that this is just a one palette tutorial when in reality it isn't? So I wanted to use one of these palettes. So this is the Kylie. What is it called? I guess it doesn't have the name on it. But this is like the purple palette that she came out with a really long time ago when she first started coming out with these like 9 shadow palettes. My face makeup is done. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna start. So I'm not sure how dark this is gonna show up with this shade. It's called Turning Violet or Lilac. So I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but I actually really like this color in the crease because it kind of gives it like a really fresh pastel-y look. So actually I'm gonna I think I'm just gonna build it up all around. And I'm still using a fluffy brush just because I kind of want to get a diffused look at first and then build. Yeah, this is a really cute pastel color. So now I'm gonna take a brush like this. It's not like a packing brush, it's kind of more like on the fluffier side. Yeah, and I'm just gonna pack this on the lid. And then actually I'm just gonna take it on the lower lash line as well. So next I'm going to go in with kind of like a fluffier pencil brush. I don't know why it's not focusing. And I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to start packing it like on the outside parts right here. So back with the same purple, but with this kind of brush, I'm just going to put that on my lash line as well. So everything I'm going to do on the top, I'm going to match it on the bottom in terms of placement and everything as well. So I just kind of connected that right there, and then I'm going to bring it in on the inner part as well. So like that, but I'm just going to leave the middle blank. So this is kind of what I have in general right now. Not blended, nothing, not yet, okay? So again, I'm gonna go in with this lilac color right here. I actually don't want it to be that dark. So I'm gonna add the lilac color on top to just kind of blend, and I'm just blending like that. I'm blending the edges. So that's what I want, a very blended. I don't want it to be this dark. I kind of wanted to go for something a little softer. So when I went back into the lilac color, I kind of blended over everything. It's still lighter in the middle and still dark out in the edges, but it's not as dark as this. So now that both sides are blended, I'm gonna go back into the lilac color and just kind of pack that onto the middle. So then yeah, that just helped brighten up the middle part again. But I'm gonna go into this middle shade just because now that I'm looking at it, I kind of want to warm it up out on the edges. So I think that's about it for the matte shades. Now I'm gonna go into shimmer, and I'm just gonna like really quickly do my inner corner. And I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. I think I'm gonna add the same shade kind of on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna take my setting spray and I'm just gonna spray the brush. So like I said, I'm just gonna go back into this with the wet brush now. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Let me just add some mascara and a lip and I will be right back. So here's the look with mascara, and I put on this limited edition NARS lipstick called Anita. And on top, just to make it a little pinker because it was too warm, I put on sparkling rose gloss from e.l.f.